Okay, now he needs little arms. Now his arms are actually going to come out down here. We'll put one, let's see, his head's going to be kind of cocked off to the side. We'll have one arm here and we'll have one wrapped around coming from the back, holding the tree up there. So we'll do that one first back here. So that one's got to be longer. So we just take a ball of fondant and then start rolling it so that this end is a little bit wider than the other end. Like so. Now this is where his mitten's going to go. So take the back of a paintbrush and just insert that and kind of open that area up a little bit. Now we need some water right here. And we'll attach this to the back. Let's see if I can turn this so you can see it. And wrap this around. Now we'll need a little bit more water right there. And attach that. Okay, so there's the one arm. And then the other one, you're only going to see part of it. So we just need a real small spot. I'll just pop this on here. Little water behind it. And then we'll take this and kind of open up this area. That's where his mitten will be in there. Okay. Now he needs a red hat. So here we start with a ball, and then we can make it a cone again like we did for the body. Now in this part we need to just kind of use our thumbs and kind of hollow that out just slightly. That's what will go against his round head there. Okay, so a little bit of water. It looks like I just pulled the tree apart a little bit, so we'll have to fix that. I'll end up having to put more royal icing there, but I'm going to wait until I'm done messing here. So, the white royal. And I might even need more than that, but okay. Now we need a tiny little nose, so it's the same flesh color. Just roll into a very small ball. And let's see, I kind of like to mark so his eyes would probably be like right here. So the nose would be right about here. Okay, and then we need some black fondant for the eyes. And these will just be two small black balls. I'm going to get the same size. First it was too small, now it's too big. Okay, and then we can use anything like this pointy end of the stick here. Let's see if I had a toothpick. Sometimes I use a toothpick and just make his mouth. So insert that and then pull up and then down this way. Okay.